Pay practices are regulated by several federal laws and address issues such as overtime pay, minimum wage standards, hours of work, and pay equity. The primary federal law affecting compensation is the Fair Labor Standards Act, known as the FLSA. The FLSA establishes minimum wage, overtime pay, record-keeping, and child labor standards affecting full-time and part-time workers in the private sector and in federal, state, and local governments. Compliance with FLSA provisions are enforced by the Wage and Hour Division of the U.S. Department of Labor, known as the DOL. Penalties for wage and hour violations often include awards of up to 2 years and back pay for affected current and former employees, along with a monetary penalty. Willful violations may be penalized by up to 3 years of back pay. Provisions of both the original Act and subsequent revisions focus on the following major areas: minimum wage, limits on the use of child labor, and exempt and non-exempt status or overtime provisions. The FLSA sets a minimum wage to be paid to a broad spectrum of covered employees. The current minimum wage of $7.25 an hour was set as part of the Fair Minimum Wage Act of 2007. A lower minimum wage of $2.13 per hour is set for tipped employees, such as restaurant servers, but their compensation must equal or exceed the minimum wage when average tips are included. However, many states have minimum wage levels for both regular and tipped employees that are higher than the federal minimum wage, and employers must pay the higher wage. A number of states have enacted laws to increase the minimum wage for employees, while other states are exploring the possibility of increasing their minimum wages. Given those variations in pay, employers that operate in multiple states should monitor minimum wage legislation that affects their operations. The child labor provisions of the FLSA set the minimum age for employment with unlimited hours at 16 years. Many employers require age certificates for employees because the FLSA makes the employer responsible for verifying an individual's age. Age certificates are supplied by high schools. For hazardous occupations, the minimum age is 18 years. Individuals who are 14 to 15 years old may work outside school hours with certain limitations. Under the FLSA, employees are classified as exempt or non-exempt. Exempt employees hold positions for which they're not paid overtime. The current FLSA regulations used to establish whether a job qualifies for exempt status classify jobs into 5 categories. The regulations identify several factors to be considered when determining an exempt status. To review the details of each exemption, go to the DOL's website at www.dol.gov. Those 5 categories of exempt status are executive, administrative, professional, computer, and outside sales. Non-exempt employees must be paid overtime. The overtime can be calculated with a standard method that involves dividing a person's weekly salary by the total number of hours worked in a week and then providing the individual an additional payout of 1.5 times this rate for the number of hours worked over 40. It's important to note that the FLSA does not require employers to provide break periods or lunch periods, or to pay double time for any hours worked. However, the FLSA does provide guidance when organizations offer employees breaks. However, state laws also vary on many of these topics, and employers should research compliance requirements in all states in which they operate.